Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to set goals in Monarch Money, a fantastic app that helps you take control of your finances and achieve your dreams. Whether you're saving for a big trip, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, setting clear goals can make all the difference in staying motivated and organized. First off, if you haven't already, download the Monarch Money app from your phone's app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once installed, log in to your account to get started. Now, let's dive into the fun part, setting your goals. Open the app and look for the menu icon, usually in the top corner. Tap on it and select Goals or Financial Goals. That's where the magic happens. Hit Add New Goal to create your first one. Give it a specific name, like Vacation Fund or Debt Payoff, to keep things clear and personal. Next, enter your target amount. How much do you want to save or pay off? Be realistic but ambitious. Then, set a deadline to give yourself a timeline, such as 6 months from now. You can also categorize your goal, like savings or expenses, and add any notes for extra details. Once saved, Monarch Money will track your progress automatically, showing you graphs and updates as you go. This makes it easy to see how close you are to reaching your goal and adjust your budget if needed. Remember, the app integrates with your bank accounts, so it pulls in real-time data to keep everything accurate. Setting goals in Monarch Money isn't just about the numbers, it's about building habits that lead to financial freedom. Make sure to review your goals weekly to stay on track and celebrate small wins along the way. If you're new to this, start with one goal to avoid overwhelm. There you have it. You're now equipped to set and smash your financial goals. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment below with your goal-setting success stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.